Good early Friday morning. Meteorologist Dean Davison with the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. We're going to take a look at what we're going to see today. And then beyond that, we're taking a look today at the potential for some snow. Not a whole lot. And with the higher sun angle, probably not going to have much accumulation, especially on roads. We may see some on grassy areas. So let's take a look at what's going on right now. We have the strong jet stream line across the area, the 540 line drop to the south. And you'll see we get some snow. The snow will mainly be, I would say, parts of Roanoke and Bedford County to the west, and will be the heaviest part. We will see some period of snow during the day into the evening time, and then it'll turn to rain and possibly some sleet before it turns to all rain. With this low pressure system coming in Saturday evening, we may actually hear a clap of thunder. See the pink? That's some icing. We got to watch that, especially along the areas along the mountain ranges. But like I said, we'll see. It looks like some snow. Not much in the accumulation area. I'll take a look at actually some accumulations now. Give you an idea of what we're going to see. It's not going to be, like I said, a whole lot of accumulation. Just mainly a disturbance with some light snowfall. And I'm going to show you here in the accumulation map. It's not that much. We're not going to be talking about a lot of inches. Now we're talking about a little over an inch. As you see, we get through tomorrow. Not much going on here. We'll point out areas as they come up here. Like I said, this is the latest NAM. Trying to get this thing to fully load. It shows here, some areas around Roanoke here on the NAM, about 2 inches. A little further to the east, about a 1 inch to 1.5 inch. You see there's about Bedford County. Like I said, a lot of some of the grassy areas. I don't see this being a huge issue. And like I said, this is going to be something that we just see accumulate in some areas. Most is going to be along the West Virginia border. Like I said, 2.4 here in Roanoke. About an inch here in Bedford County area. So not a whole lot. Some say a little bit less than that. So I'd say anywhere from coating to maybe as much as 2 inches, locally heavier along the mountain chains is what we're looking at. Taking a look at DFS timing, it's about the same. You see some light snow, and then it mixes in with some little bit of sleet and freezing rain, moves out. There we get the line of showers, possibly even a thunderstorm here, okay? And that'll move away for Sunday. So some good news coming up here beyond this system that it moves out. You're really not going to see much of accumulation of snow at all in many areas. And actually, it goes into a drier beginning of the week next week as it warms up. 540 lines dropped all the way up here in Maryland. So that's some good stuff right there. And we watch for the next system to come in with rain. So that's what we see coming in the near future. So like I said, not much in accumulation, anywhere from coating further east areas to up to 2 inches, possibly, potentially higher amounts in the areas such as Benton Mountain and areas that are higher elevation. Other than that, I don't see very much snow causing many issues tomorrow. So enjoy seeing the white stuff, possibly for the last time. It could go in April, because I don't know, but there's potential it will not. So enjoy the snow while you have it. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Meteorologist Dean Davison. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.